This is a video on Class 6 Mathematics, and today we are going to discuss on Chapter 2, and the topic is operations on whole numbers. So, what are whole numbers? All natural numbers, including 0, are known as whole numbers. Now, here we are going to discuss about some properties of addition on whole numbers. The first property is closure property of addition, which says that when we add two whole numbers, the result is also a whole number. For example, here the number is 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Even if we reverse the order of the number, that is 4 plus 5 will also give us 9. Therefore, here 9 is the whole number. Number 2, commutative law of addition. The commutative law of addition says that when we suppose we write a number, for example, here I have written as 7 plus 8, that gives us the result as 15. Now, even if I reverse the order of the number and write it as 8 plus 7, still the answer will be 15. So, whenever you change the order of the number in addition, it does not affect the result. This is the commutative law of addition. Next point is associative law of addition. Now, associative law of addition, suppose you take three numbers. Here I have taken 2, 3 and 5. Now, if I add 2 and 3 first, that is 5. Then you add this 5 with the other third number 5. This will give you 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Now, the other case where we have added the second and third number first. So, 3 plus 5, that is equals to 8. Then that sum is added to the first number. That is 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Now, this is showing that whenever you take three number, in whichever way you add, still the result is going to be same. Now, these properties are not applicable in case of subtraction, because in case of subtraction, if we change the order of the numbers, then the answer will not be same. For example, in the first case here I have taken 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Now, if I take this in subtraction, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. That is a whole number. But if I reverse the order of the number and write 4 minus 5, is the result going to be 1 now? No. The result is going to be minus 1, which is not a whole number. Thus, any of these properties are not applicable in case of subtraction. Now, fourth property, that is existence of additive identity, which says that whenever we add 0 to any number, that will give the number itself. The result is the number itself. Whether you add the 0 at first or later on, still the answer will be the number itself. For example, if we write 14 plus 0, that is also equals to 14. If we write 0 plus 14, that will also give us 14. Now let us discuss about the properties of multiplication on whole numbers. The first property is closure property of multiplication. Again, same, when we multiply two whole numbers, the answer or the product is also a whole number. For example, multiplying 6 and 5, that is 6 5s are equals to 30, or you multiply 5 into 6, that is also equals to 30. So there is no change in the result. Number 2, the second property, commutative law of multiplication. Even if we change the order of the numbers, still the result is going to be same. That is 4 into 9 is equals to 36. Now change the order and write 9 first and 4 in the second place. So 9 into 4 is also equal to 36. Hence, the product is not changing even when we are arranging the numbers. Next, third property, that is associative law of multiplication. Again, taking three numbers, say 5, 3 and 4. First, we are multiplying 5 into 3 and the product of 5 into 3 is multiplied with 4. That is 5 into 3 is 15. Now 15 multiplied by 4 is 60. In the second case, we are multiplying the second and third number first. That is 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Now this product 12 is multiplied into 5. That is 12 5s are 60. Here also, even if we are changing the order of multiplication, still the product or the result is same. The fourth property, existence of multiplicative identity. Now multiplicative identity means we are multiplying the number by 1. So take any whole number and multiply it with 1. So it will also give us the number itself. 1 into 9, 9, 100 into 1, 100. Next, fifth property, multiplicative property of 0. That is, any number multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. Now all this property of multiplication again is not applicable in case of division. The sixth property, that is distributive law of multiplication over addition. Now distributive law of multiplication over addition, there is also distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. This is also applicable in case of subtraction. That is, suppose a number is given in this way. 6 is multiplied to the sum of 7 and 8. So we can write it as, so you can directly solve it as 6 into, add these two numbers in the bracket. So that is 15. So 6 into 15 is 90. The other way of doing it is, we will multiply 6 with 7, then put an addition sign in middle, and then we'll multiply 6 with 8. So 6 7s are 42 plus 6 8s are 48. That is equal to 90. This is the distributive law. So now let's talk about the division of whole numbers. Now we know how to divide. So the number which we are dividing is the dividend. For example, here I have taken an example, that is 46 divided by 8. Here 46 is the dividend. 8, the number by whom we are dividing, that is the divisor. Now if I divide 46 and 8, so 8 5s are 40. Now this 5 is the quotient. Now what is remaining after dividing the number and subtracting? So 46, it will go by 40. So what is remaining is 6. Therefore remainder is 6. Now we can verify this division with the division algorithm. Now what is the division algorithm? That is, quotient into divisor plus remainder should be equal to dividend. So this is the way to verify whether your division is correct or not. So what is the division algorithm? Quotient into divisor plus remainder should be equal to dividend. Now let's start with exercise 2A. The question number 1 and question number 2 are fill in the blanks. You can do it on your own. So we are starting from question number 3. The question is, divide 3605 by 29 and verify the division algorithm. Okay, let us first divide. So 2605 divided by 29. So 29 ones are 29. We'll take the first two terms, that is 36, and we'll start the division. That is 29 ones are 29. So 36 minus 29 is 7. Then we'll bring the 0 down. So it has become 70. Now 29 twos are 58. So what is remaining is 12. Next we'll bring this 5 down. So it has become 125. Now 29 fours are 116. What is remaining is 9. So here my quotient is 124. Remainder is 9. And my dividend is 3605 and divisor is 29. So now putting it in the formula, we have to verify by division algorithm. So dividend we know, that is 3605. Now we'll solve the right hand side, that is quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here our quotient is 124 into divisor is 29 plus remainder is 9. So 124 into 29 is 3596 plus 9, that is equals to 3605. Therefore, our left hand side is equals to right hand side. Therefore, we can say that our division is correct. Next, question number 5. Find the largest number of 5 digits which is exactly divisible by 57. Now, what is the largest 5-digit number? That is 5 times 9, 99,999. Now, dividing it by 57, let us divide. First, we will take these two numbers, that is 99. So, 57 ones are 57. Then, what is the remainder? 42. We'll bring the 9 down. So, our number is now 429. Again, it is divisible by 7. So, 57 sevens are 399. What is remaining? 30. So, we'll bring another 9 down. So, our number is 309. That is 309. So, 57 fives are 285. What is remaining? 24. Bringing another 9 down. Our number is now 249. So, 57 fours are 228. What is the remainder? 21. Now, how to find the largest number which is exactly divisible by 57? That means this number, 99,999, if I deduct 21 from this number, then this will be exactly divisible by 57. Am I correct? Now, what we'll do is, since this number is 21, if I deduct 21 from this given number, that is 99,999, then I'll get the required number. So here what I have done is, we have subtracted 21 from the largest 5-digit number and we got the answer, that is 99,978. Next question, question number 6. Find the smallest 6-digit number which is exactly divisible by 63. Now here we are talking about the smallest 6-digit number. So the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So here we'll divide 1 lakh by 63. So first we'll take three digits, that is 100. So 63 ones are 63, remainder is 37. We'll bring a 0 down. So now our number is 370. So 63 fives are 315, remainder 55. Bring another 0 down. So now my number is 550. 63 eights are 504, remainder is 46. Bringing the last 0 down, our number is 460. So it is divisible by 7. So 63 sevens are 441. Remainder is 19. Now how to find the smallest 6-digit number which is divisible by 63? That is, here to find the required number, we will add the divisor less the remainder. So here 1 lakh plus 63 minus 19 will give us the answer as 1,44,000. So can you see the difference? To find the largest number, we are just subtracting the remainder. In case of the smallest number, we have to add the divisor and subtract the remainder. So we will get the smallest number. Now question number 7. On dividing 1653 by a certain number, we get 45 as quotient and 33 as remainder. Find the divisor. So here dividend is given, quotient is given, remainder is also given. What we have to find is the divisor. So we have written dividend equals to 1653, that is 1653. Quotient is equals to 45. Remainder is equals to 33. So let the divisor be capital D. And we know the formula, the dividend, the division algorithm. That is, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in place of dividend, we have written the number 1653, which is equal to divisor we don't know, let it be d, into 45, that is quotient, plus remainder 33. Now first we will take this remainder plus sign to the other side. So it will be 1653 minus 33, because the plus sign in the right side, which will come to the left side, it will become negative. So that is minus 33 equals to dividend into 45. Sorry, not dividend, divisor into 45. In the next step, this will become 1620 equals to divisor into 45. Therefore, d or divisor is equals to, if this 45 here it is multiplication, if this multiplication is gone to the other side, it will become division. So here d is equals to 1620 divided by 45. So let us see the division. So 45, first we'll take this 3 digits, that is 162. So 45 3s are 135. What is the remainder? 27. Then we'll bring the 0 down. So our number is now 270. So 45 6 are 270. Nothing is remaining. So therefore our divisor is 36. So this is all for today's class. Thank you.